Hello lovelies! Today's makeup tutorial is on how to create beautiful, natural, full looking eyebrows. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start off by using Anastasia Beverly Hills powder, and we're going to start at the tail of the brow and we're going to slowly work our way towards the front of the brow. And the reason why we do this is so that the outer edge is darker and then as you come in you get lighter. This creates a very natural look to the brows. You don't want harshness at the front of the brow because it makes it very obvious that you've drawn it in. So always concentrate most of the product on the outer end and slowly build it up. And then as you come in, there's very little product. So I'm now creating hair-like strokes at the front, so always follow the direction of the eyebrow. So as the front hairs are up, I'm using an upward motion, and then for the rest of the brow I'm using a side stroke. Don't worry about being a bit messy when you're doing this, because what we're going to do is go in with some concealer afterwards just to neaten it all up, define it and make it sharp. So this is the hair-like strokes at the front, following the natural eyebrow hair. I love using brow powder because it's such a great product, especially if you're new to filling in brows, because you can't go wrong with it, whereas it's not the same as using some other products. I'm now using some concealer and I'm defining under the brows. You'll probably notice that I've gone in with a shade lighter than the actual skin colour, and the reason why I do this is just so that the eyebrows stand out a bit more. I'm using an angled brush here because I feel that it gets very close to the eyebrows and you can get a really nice sharp finish when you use an angled brush. For defining on top of the brows, I'm going to use a concealer shade which is closer to the actual skin colour, so it doesn't stand out too much. And when it gets blended, it almost seems seamless into the skin. For concealer, today I'm using MAC. I then decided to go in with a pencil just to outline it a little bit more, just to define it and make the outer end a bit darker. But as you can see, when you use a pencil, you get some harsh lines. So in order to avoid these harsh lines, what you need to do is go in with a clean spoolie and just brush the product through. And this just blends it all together and makes it look very seamless and as if you haven't drawn it. And again, the other side, I'm just going to use a pencil, define it. I'm using a Rimmel pencil, using a spoolie just to blend it all together. Then I'm using a Maybelline pen just to draw some hair-like strokes at the front where there's a little bit of shortfall of hair. And this is the final finished look. I then went in with some foundation and finished off the rest of the face. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you till next time. Bye!